Welcome back to Auto World Cars, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. If you love cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the return of a legend, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. This modern reinterpretation of an iconic classic brings nostalgia and innovation together in a way only Citroën can. Let's dive into the details. The Citroën 2CV, also known as the 2CV, was an affordable and practical car that gained massive popularity in the mid-20th century. Its simple yet effective design made it a favorite among European drivers. Now, Citroën is reviving this beloved model with a futuristic twist, and the 2025 version is set to redefine what a compact city car can be. The exterior of the new 2CV retains the charm of the original but with a modern touch. It features rounded headlights, a minimalist front grille, and a streamlined body with smooth curves. The car embraces Citroën's unique design philosophy, with a retro yet futuristic look that immediately stands out. It's compact, lightweight, and built with sustainability in mind, making it a perfect fit for urban environments. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 2CV is designed for simplicity and comfort. The dashboard has a clean and functional layout with a digital instrument cluster and a centrally placed infotainment system. The materials used are eco-friendly, incorporating recycled fabrics and sustainable plastics. The seats are designed for maximum comfort while maintaining the lightweight approach that defined the original model. Under the hood, the new Citroën 2CV is expected to come with an all-electric powertrain. While exact specifications are yet to be confirmed, reports suggest a battery range of around 200 miles on a single charge, making it an efficient choice for daily commuting. With fast charging capabilities, it ensures minimal downtime, making it practical for city dwellers. The small size and lightweight design contribute to its excellent efficiency, while Citroën's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. One of the biggest questions is the price. Citroën aims to keep the 2CV affordable, just like its predecessor. The expected starting price is around $25,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly electric cars on the market. This makes it an attractive option for those looking for an economical and stylish urban vehicle. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is more than just a car, it's a tribute to history with a vision for the future. Its blend of classic design and modern technology makes it an exciting addition to the electric vehicle market. What are your thoughts on this modern revival? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto World Cars, and stay tuned for more amazing car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in